all three of the books in the original trilogy are very fast paced. How did you go about the pacing of the story and keeping it super action packed?
At the time I was writing The Maze Runner, there was a TV show, Lost,
Mm,
which was about these people who got stranded on an island. It's kind of a mystery box story. The way that show was structured just really struck me.
mhm.
They were brilliant at every little break, something intriguing would happen and make you want to come back after a break or after an episode or after a series finale, stuff like that. They just were really good at structuring the story and feeding it out to you slowly, mystery by mystery. So that heavily inspired how I wrote The Maze Runner. I pretty much focused on every chapter to make something either intriguing, and it could just be a little thing like early in the book, The Maze Runner, Thomas and Chuck are going to bed at night, and Thomas just suddenly says, Chuck, I think I've been here before.
Yeah.
Little things like that. Sometimes people just try to move the earth and shake the sky and just have these blow your brain revelations or mysteries throughout. I like the little intrigues, the little things that happen that just make you think, what in the world is going on? I got to keep reading to find out.